Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the Eventbrite app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Eventbrite app. On the bottom on the menu bar you have to tap on the last one. And here you will have your profile. If you scroll down, the last one is the settings. If you tap on the settings, the first one is the push notifications. If you tap on this one, you will have some options. If you would like to turn off just the reminders, you can turn them off by tapping on them easily, or if you would like to turn off the followed organizers. But if you would like to turn all of the notifications off, then here you will have the first option, and you tap on it and it's off. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.